It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Fulton Elementary School in Middleton, Michigan. My first visit to their campus here in the gymnasium where we did an assembly for all the grades K through 5 on positivity, be your best self, right? That was the main focus for today. And you know, on days like today, it's very easy to be positive. The sun is shining outside, but when it's storming, raining outside, but also kind of in our hearts, sometimes it's not that easy, right? When there's something that's tough that's going on in our lives that sort of, you know, is not easy to get through, very difficult situations, whether it's here at school, at home, in our community. You know, it's, again, not always easy to have that positive outlook, right? But it's so important that we do, because sometimes those are opportunities for us to get stronger, right? In those moments of trial, in those circumstances that can actually make us better if we let it. Right? So that's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're feeling down or your head's down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? And think positive no matter what, with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives, right? And when we think about the opposite of success, it's not failure, but rather quitting or giving up. Right? So we can fail again and again and again. It doesn't make us a failure. We can make mistakes again and again and again. It doesn't make us a mistake, right? But as long as we keep trying, keep pushing, keep persevering, that's the most important piece. And then we don't compare ourselves to others, right? Because so many times we get caught up in someone that's better than us at a certain activity or a certain area of our lives, a certain school subject. But as long as we're doing our best, that's all that really counts, right? That true excellence isn't always being the best, having to get first place, getting the trophy, getting the award, winning the race. It's just about doing your best, right? It's having the effort. If you give that effort, that full effort, usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, you're gonna get the result that you want. Right? And this also means we have to understand how important each of us are, the power that each of us have, right? How special each of us are. And that ties into this concept that I bring up in all my assemblies. All of us with the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here, have the letter M. And that M stands for Middleton. Just kidding. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy, right? You have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but that's for us to understand that we are beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we really have to buy into this, because a lot of students and people in general that I've spoken to all across this country, sometimes they've forgotten that, never been told that, or need a reminder, right? And we can be that light to their heart if we choose to. So that's part of being our best self, you know, asking for help when we need it, working together as a team, knowing that part of doing your best is also encouraging others, right? Not just having that self-encouragement and speaking kindly to our mind and our heart, because whatever you tell your brain and heart, it's going to believe, right? So we want to make sure that's something positive, but also the way that we treat others, right? We want that to have that positive nature as well. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great to see you all. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.